Did you know apples can do way more than you think? Most people just eat them raw, right? But here's the thing, you can juice them, bake them into pies, or even make applesauce. And get this, green apples, usually sour, red ones, sweet. Plus, they're packed with fiber, vitamin C, and water. Before the fruit even grows, the tree blooms these gorgeous white or pink flowers. And bees, they're the real MVPs, pollinating those flowers so we get apples. People have been growing these for thousands of years. So next time you grab an apple, remember it's not just a snack, it's nature's perfect multi-tool. Try something new with one today. Did you know apples can actually boost your immune system? These colourful fruits grow on trees in orchards all over the world. Before the apples appear, you'll see green leaves and tiny flowers, and here's the cool part. Bees visit those flowers and help the fruit grow. You've got red, green, yellow, some sweet, some sour. They're packed with fibre and vitamin C to keep you strong. Eat them raw for a quick snack. Bake them into a pie or blend them into juice. So next time you grab an apple, remember, you're choosing one of nature's perfect foods.